Take one. We are rolling. This is Animal World. And I've got my special gold gun. Introduction. Let's go next. I cannot go there because I haven't unlocked. So I played the introduction, I got an apple, and now I can play level 1. Okay. This is sort of a Mario 3D platformer, which is actually quite nice. It does work well. Okay, that's my gun. Guns are a bit weird to grab, and you can put up to 40 bullets in it. As you can see, it's a bit time consuming, so I will ask the developers to just one go. Like, there is no need for the players to just put 40 bullets in a gun. Because I've done one, and now I can do the other one. And what you want to see the gameplay. But I need these bullets. I don't know if I will have more bullets after. I can't. Oh, there's a tree over there. That's alright. Something you have to do at the beginning of the level. 38. I could shoot them from here. Okay. The jumps are very, very accurate. I can correct my and descending. Okay. Oh. What does it say? Okay, this is a save. Shall I grab more of those fruits to be ready for the next level? Okay. Okay, I can grab a heart. I don't know if I lost too many, I can't really see. Oops. Okay, saving. Okay. Which one is the lowest? Oops. Oh yeah, this one. Ooh. 2. There you go. So if you throw a certain way, see there, you can almost get them. Okay. Oh, that's breaking. Oh, I didn't see you. This is actually very, very interesting and very good game. Okay, looks like we are going to balance ourselves. No. Good music. Like it's well adapted for VR. Not too difficult, charming. Okay, can I get them from there? Done. Close now. Shall I get my other gun? Oh, got me. Nice one. Okay, I will reload. Over there, grab a bit of heart. Am I getting... Oh, another ounce. Okay. Oops. Is it going to be a big boss? It appears it's going to be. Yes. Okay, looks like I need to shoot the bomb. Oh. Might be losing quite a bit of life, so let me grab a few hearts. How do you kill this man? Whoops. Okay, I thought it was the bombs. So what you do is now, I'm going to get a few hearts. You grab this icon and that will allow you to put in a book to unlock level 2. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.